Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be reviewing our Munchpak boxes. And it's going to be for the month of November and December, so yeah, we're totally behind, so who cares? So I'm Nadia.
I'm Violet.
I'm Ethan.
And today we're going to be reviewing these boxes. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and open these up and just basically start trying these snacks out. We'll let you know where they're from, what they are, and if we like the way they taste or not. So yeah. All right. Let's go. Start it up. So we're going to start with Ethan's box first.
Okay.
So this is the little card that came in. It just says that this Munchpak was made with love by Luce. Here it is. And then it of course came with the sticker that it always comes with. So that's that there.
And our first item is UHA Mikakudo Pucho Grape.
Show the thing.
Here.
Go. Put it up.
Looks like could be a gummy candy.
And this is from Japan.
Uh-huh.
This is from Japan.
It's Japan.
And it says it's chewy, individually wrapped candies with a sweet grape flavor. So, and
like a
these,
haichu.
again, these are from Japan. So we're gonna go ahead and try these out.
Oh, this is little haichu, right?
Yeah, it's like that.
All right.
I saw you them at the same time.
So they're like this in this little silver wrapper here.
No, it smells like grape medicine.
It smells good.
Oh, it looks like it has like a filling, huh?
Oh, are we supposed to eat it yet?
Yeah, so go ahead and eat them. And then, oh, this is like really like, this tastes kind of, ew.
It tastes like a haichu.
It tastes like a achu.
A haichu.
I personally do not like this, but
That's good. I like it.
okay.
I'll pick the next one.
We got this before.
It's
Double Dutch.
a double Dutch honey vanilla stroop waffle from Holland.
All right. What is it? So what's the description?
Oh, it's a chewy stroop waffle with a creamy honey vanilla filling. It's from Canada. This is Holland's favorite cookie, but it's from Canada.
All right. Let's try it out.
Well, it came with one, so we're gonna have
We're
to
gonna
share.
share it.
It's just double.
Okay, here.
This is a big piece. Here.
Oh. That's pretty good.
No, this one's good. Wait, does this taste like? What does it taste like? Yeah, it tastes like a.
It's good. It will go good with tea.
Dang, she ate it all. No, this is good. It tastes like.
Bless you.
Bless you. I cannot put my finger on it, but this tastes like a certain cookie. I can't think of what the cookie is, but it tastes really
Is it
good.
like a Mexican cookie?
My turn.
Oh.
All right, I'm gonna pick this one. All right, so this is called Kras Banako Chocolate Bar, and it's from Croatia. It's a soft, fluffy, marshmallow-like, banana-flavored filling covered with chocolate. So that is with the, okay, so I was saying that this was the banana chocolate snack from Croatia. Sorry, the camera cut out. Hey guys, okay, so after some technical difficulties, I think we're ready to continue our video because it keeps cutting out. Okay, so the last snack that we were on was that Kras Banako chocolate bar thingy. And basically it looked like a banana slash turd, but we did take bites out of it because we thought that the video was going. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll give you our real honest opinion on how super delicious this tastes.
Yeah.
It's not super delicious.
Here, go give it the,
No, after.
after.
It's
It's not good.
It's not.
It tastes
Unless you absolutely
awesome.
love banana in a lot of different weird forms, then you'll like it.
I do like the frozen bananas from Disneyland. They're my favorite. And I always have one when we go.
Those are good.
Okay.
So
Alright, so go ahead and do the next one.
the next one are these ketchup chips. These tomahawk chips that are ketchup flavor from Canada.
We opened these.
We already opened them, but
We thought we were filming.
so here. Hold on.
She doesn't like them.
We like these. Me and Ethan like them. They're so good.
They're so nasty. They taste like ketchup. And they're super nasty.
They're really good. If you like salt and vinegar chips, you'll like these.
I don't like them. I'm gonna be like my daughter. I can't like it. Which is little just to say that. Okay.
Okay.
So I will tell you that when we thought we were filming, we were we tried this other snack. What was it called?
It was this natto rice cracker from Japan. It tasted really gross.
It was disgusting. So we all agreed that we did not want to taste that again.
Yeah.
So sorry, guys. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna be trying here is a chicky chocolate cookies, and it's crunchy vanilla cookies with chocolate cream, and they're from Costa Rica, and it looks like this. All right, so ooh, these look good. So the cookies look like this. Ooh. Wait a minute, I wonder if that's the way it came. I don't know, but they look like this here.
I think you can separate all of them, all three of these.
Okay.
Wait, there's
here.
3 of them?
Here, this one? Yeah, you can separate them. They just got
I don't know.
No,
I don't
you
think
can.
so.
They're, crap, maybe, I don't even know.
Just split it in half or take a bite and then I'll bite it.
Okay.
There you go.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so they're good. They're really good. Like really good.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're pretty tasty.
They're really good. No. Okay. So I don't know what month that was from, but that
November.
was the first Munchpak box, and now we're gonna go to the next one.
Okay. I want to choose it first since you did last time.
Wow, but
So, this is the sticker.
Cute.
Um,
And this Munchbox was made with love by Roxanne. And this is what the little thing looks like. A little castle. Cute.
okay, I'm going to choose the first one.
All right.
I want to pick the second one.
Okay. So this is Zazer's Tinny Taffy Raspberry. They're soft and chewy raspberry flavored taffy, and it's from the United Kingdom. Alright. Here you go.
This is what it looks. This is what the packaging looks like. It says teeny taffy. Really cute. Is this? Oh, I almost thought it looked like a tomato. I was like, ew, I don't want to eat this.
Oh, it kind of does.
Oh, I think we only needed to open one because I think there's little ones in there.
Here, put this one back.
Yeah, so they are literally
Tinny. They're
Here.
tinny. They're tinny.
here.
Oh, cool.
They're literally teeny taffies. All right. There's a lot of static. So it's a pack that comes with these 4 little babies.
Okay. It tastes like taffy.
Here's like cake.
It doesn't have much flavor to it.
It has a flavor, but it's like very artificial.
Yeah.
Like big time.
Okay.
No,
You went first or last?
go.
Oh.
Okay. These are Glico Pokey cookies,
Pocky.
cookies and cream flavor. Crunchy biscuit sticks with cookie and cream. Wait, hold on. Let me start over. Crunchy biscuit sticks with cookie cream and cookie pieces, and these are from Thailand. They look like that.
I like pocky sticks.
And
haven't tried it.
these are my little nephew's favorite. Right, this is the packaging. Kind of boring. It's not exciting packaging.
I never tried these kind.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
One.
They're good. Tastes like cookies and cream. I personally like the strawberry kind better, but these are okay.
They're good.
They're good. Okay, Ethan, your turn. Just want to do those?
Take your chin.
So, this is like the other one we got. Tomahawk chips.
Or another
Salt
bag.
and vinegar flavored.
Oh.
Crunchy chips with a bold and lime salt and vinegar flavor.
And those are from Canada. So it's another bag of tomahawk chips.
Ugh.
And I said that the other bag tasted like salt and vinegar, and these ones are salt and vinegar.
No,
so
the other bag tasted like ketchup.
it's
I'm gonna get chips.
There you go.
I wanted a baby chip. This is too
Thanks.
big.
Let's taste the same.
It's like too vinegary. Ugh.
These ones?
They need more vinegar.
Well, my favorite chips are sour cream and onion, so.
They're not as good as the ketchup ones.
Ew. I didn't like them.
They're really salty.
Can I do the last one?
No. Is there only one left?
Yeah.
No, two left.
Okay, so let's do the last two. Well,
Okay,
do
you
one
can
at
do
a
the
time.
you can do that one.
Okay.
Here, I'll do this one.
All right.
This is called a choco pie. It's banana flavored. It's a soft banana cake with marshmallow coated with milk chocolate. And this is from South Korea. Ooh. Alright.
Ooh, it looks like a moon pie.
It looks like this.
Like a moon pie.
Alright.
Just
Oh,
bite
just bite
it.
it.
Take a bite. Ooh, it looks delicious.
It's pretty good. The banana flavor is really strong.
It's a little dry. Look good.
I'm really done.
Don't eat it all. Your mom wants a bite.
Okay, we'll save that for her. Go eat this.
And this is our
Good.
last item. It's called a Cadbury snack. The sandwich biscuit, crunchy biscuit bar covered with milk chocolate. This is from the United Kingdom.
Open it.
What did it say? What was
Here.
the description of the candy?
I read it was the crunchy biscuit bar covered with milk chocolate.
Oh,
I think it's like a Kit Kat. Yeah, it's like a Kit Kat.
But I'm gonna eat it all.
no, you're
It's
not.
like
We're all gonna take a bite.
It's like it's like a Kit Kat almost, except it's like all formed together.
Let me take a bite since Ethan's not sharing.
Nope.
Too good.
Let's go. Yep. Let's go. There's chocolate. That chocolate was actually surprisingly good.
Okay. Not
That
bad.
one's good.
And that's it.
Well, that was all the snacks that we had in both of our boxes. What do you guys want to say is your favorite snack from
Ketchup chips.
both of the boxes?
I really like that waffle cookie from
yeah, that
Canada.
was good.
That one was really good. I also like the ketchup chips. Those
I
are
like
pretty
these.
You like that one?
Of course,
I
ketchup.
surprisingly like these pokey sticks. They were actually pretty good. I was pleasantly surprised on that.
What are the rest?
That's what? The rest? There's no rest. They ate them already. They're gone. All right, guys. So that's basically what we got in both of our munch boxes. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked our video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you like us, please subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time we make a new video. And we will be having another Munchpak video in the month of January, whenever that arrives. And yeah, so we will see you guys in our next video. Bye. You guys need to say bye.
Bye.
Bye.